If you are wondering what academic facilities does a medical college in India provides, you are at the right place. And who will explain it better than a fellow medical student of such an institute? Hi there, I am Sumit Vanzari, currently an MBBS intern at one of the most precious medical institutes all across India, that is AIIMS Nagpur. Today we are going to talk about the academic facilities provided at AIIMS Nagpur. After hearing these facilities, I think you will make up your mind to take AIIMS as your first choice as a medical college. But let me warn you that this schedule that I am going to tell you today is not for the soft-hearted people, because medicos have to follow a rigorous schedule of training and education to become a doctor, and AIIMS is very strict about it. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the academic facilities of AIIMS Nagpur. Let me first tell you the infrastructure facilities that will be provided to you. After that, I will tell you the schedule and attendance criteria, and after that, take a glimpse of our beautiful lecture theatres. If you want to pursue your career in medicine, AIIMS is an excellent choice for you, and you need to subscribe to my channel to get more glimpses into our college. So do that right now if you have not done yet. All of our academics occur in the academic building of our college, and there are various floors dedicated to different subjects. Like for example, first year subjects are on the first floor, then second year on the second, and so on. You will be confused at first when you go there. It's very huge. It's a 5-story building with various labs like biochemistry, physiology, microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, and various museums like anatomy museum, forensic medicine museum, and one dissection hall for the first year students. This building also has the state-of-the-art lecture theatres like you have never seen in other medical colleges. AIIMS Nagpur boasts 4 state-of-the-art lecture theatres, each fully air-conditioned and equipped with digital boards. There is 1 digital board and 2 projector boards in every lecture theatre. And there is a sound system that you have never heard before. It's a perfect amalgamation of images and sounds that will give you a premier experience in education. The seats and desks are cushioned, ensuring a comfortable learning experience. And mind me, the teachers at AIIMS are world class. The professors of various subjects are esteemed faculty who have done various research projects, and they are very student friendly. Any of your doubts at any time will be solved by the faculty. You can directly approach the head of the department and he will not hesitate to answer your doubts. The faculties there are very friendly, and they will surely ensure that you become a great doctor. First year students have access to a well-equipped dissection hall, essential for hands-on learning in anatomy. The dissection hall also has various specimens and a skeleton to learn various human organs and bones of human body. This facility is crucial for understanding the human body through real-life dissection. I take this opportunity to thank the donors who have donated their body for a noble cause, that is making future doctors. There are various labs for the first year students, like physiology lab, where students learn about the function of different body systems through practical experiments. Second is the biochemistry lab, equipped for detailed study of chemical processes within and related to living organisms. Moving on to the second year facilities. First, the Forensic Medicine Museum is a state-of-the-art museum that our college provides. Next is the Microbiology Lab, essential for understanding microorganisms and the effects on humans. The Pathology Lab is a place where you can perform various experiments regarding your own blood and also a human tissue. Moving on to the Library of AIIMS Nagpur. The Library of AIIMS Nagpur is a treasure trove of knowledge. It is open 24/7. It has a dedicated complex with 2 floors housing an extensive collection of books and resources to aid in your studies. The library also has common rooms in which you can sit and study in groups. AIIMS Nagpur also has an electronic library in which you can access books via internet and you can read them online. You can also donate your books in the library. Faculties and teachers have donated many, and they are for the students to read. There is an issue system in library where you can issue a book for 7 days and you have to return it within 7 days. After that you can issue it again. If you don't return it on time, you will be fined. Let's talk about the timings that you have to follow in AIIMS. For first year students is from 9 to 5. From second year onwards, it's from 8 to 4. The clinical postings and practicals occur for 3 hours and rest of time is utilized in the lectures. You also have a 1 hour lunch break. At AIIMS Nagpur, assessments are taken seriously to ensure students are well prepared both practically and theoretically. The tests are more for first year and from second year onwards it reduces a little bit. First year students have to give topic test after each topic is completed. There are 2 internal assessment in 1 year, followed by a pre-professional examination, followed by the final exam, that is the professional examination. In final examination, passing criteria is 50% of the marks. It might seem easy to get 50% mark, but you might be astonished to know the number of students that fail to get even 50%. By the way, I passed every time. AIIMS Nagpur provides a rigorous and comprehensive medical education with world-class facilities. Whether it's through advanced lecture theatres, well-equipped labs, or a 24/7 library, AIIMS Nagpur ensures its students are well prepared for their medical careers. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, do share it with a friend who aspires to become a doctor or a medico whom you just want to make jealous. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I will see you on another Friday at 6 p.m. Till then, bye bye.